Good morning, Alex.
Good morning.
So last night you were in a cabin sleeping there with the 13 sleeping, snoring men from Good News. How did that go for you?
That went really good because I could sleep, because I could drown out the sound from the men.
So why'd you sleep so good in a cabin full of snoring people?
I was just very tired.
So what did you do yesterday?
Well, I threw shingles into a dumpster
Yep.
and I moved a bed.
Gotcha. And what do you plan on doing today?
Not doing the same thing,
Sure. All right.
except like throwing the shingles into the dumpster.
Okay.
That'd be the only thing I could do. That wouldn't make my arms all floppy.
Well, thanks for coming, Alex.